Welcome to day 26 of DailyAIWizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ready to level up with AI and gaming? Today we're diving into AI's epic gaming magic, transforming play and design. This 36-minute journey will blow your mind. You won't want to miss a single second. Let's master gaming AI. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to explore AI in gaming. It's about smarter games, and it's mind-blowing. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock gaming secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. AI in gaming powers NPCs and strategy, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo predicting player moves. It's going to be epic. Stick with us for this magic.
Ethan here. AI in gaming is a game changer, and I'm stoked to code a move prediction demo with Sophia. Let's make gaming magic. This will inspire you. Get ready for AI's play power.
I'm Olivia, and I'm utterly fascinated by AI in gaming. I'll explain how it works on slide 4, and I'm thrilled to join you, Anastasia. This tech is next-level fun. Let's make gaming magic.
Today we're diving into AI in gaming, and I'm so thrilled. We'll explore AI's role in NPC behavior and game design, tackle ethical challenges, and build a Python demo predicting player moves. This journey will ignite your passion for gaming tech. Let's master play magic. Get ready for AI's gaming power. Isabella, why is gaming AI exciting?
It's immersive, Anastasia. AI makes games feel alive, and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these techniques. This will redefine play. Let's unlock its potential.
Hi, wizards. I'm Olivia, and I'm totally fascinated by AI in gaming. It enhances experiences, powering NPCs and mechanics with machine learning to create immersive worlds. This is epic gaming magic. From smart enemies to dynamic stories, it's unreal. I'm thrilled to break it down. Anastasia, how does AI make games feel so real?
Great question, Olivia. AI crafts lifelike NPCs and adaptive gameplay, making every moment immersive. It's like a digital storyteller. I'm excited to dive deeper with you. This is gaming's future. Let's explore its magic. Why use AI in gaming? It enhances player engagement, creates dynamic gameplay, optimizes development, and enables personalized experiences. It's revolutionizing play. This is vital AI magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see its impact. AI makes games epic. Isabella, why dynamic gameplay?
It's thrilling, Anastasia. AI makes every game unique, and I love its impact. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is play with flair.
AI in NPC behavior is game-changing. It simulates realistic characters using decision-making models like adaptive enemies, enhancing immersion. It's a storytelling superpower. I'm excited to break it down. This is immersive AI in action. Let's bring NPCs to life. Isabella, why NPC behavior?
It's lifelike, Anastasia. AI makes NPCs feel real, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like a game friend. This boosts fun.
AI in pathfinding is crucial. It guides NPC movement using algorithms like AI, navigating obstacles for realism. This is navigational gaming magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's chart paths. This makes games smooth. Isabella, why pathfinding AI?
It's clever, Anastasia. AI makes NPCs move naturally, and I'm excited. It's like a game GPS. This ensures realism.
AI in game design is revolutionary. It automates level creation with procedural generation like dynamic worlds, enhancing efficiency. This is creative AI magic. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's design games. This sparks creativity. Isabella, why game design AI?
It's innovative, Anastasia. AI crafts unique worlds, and I'm thrilled. It's like a game artist. This saves time.
AI in player modeling is smart. It predicts player actions, adapts difficulty like personalized challenges, improving retention. This is tailored gaming magic. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's model players. This keeps games fun. Isabella, why player modeling?
It's personal, Anastasia. AI makes games fit players, and I'm excited. It's like a game coach. This boosts engagement.
AI in game testing is essential. It automates bug detection, simulates player scenarios like stress testing, ensuring quality. This is quality AI magic. I'm so excited to explain. Let's test games. This polishes play. Isabella, why game testing AI?
It's reliable, Anastasia. AI catches bugs fast, and I'm thrilled. It's like a game fixer. This ensures smooth play.
AI in esports transforms competition. It enhances player analytics, predicts match outcomes, like strategy optimization, improving play. This is competitive AI magic. I'm excited to explore it. Let's boost esports. This elevates games. Isabella, why esports AI?
It's intense, Anastasia. AI sharpens competition, and I'm thrilled. It's like a game strategist. This fuels victories.
AI in game personalization is amazing. It tailors experiences, adapts to preferences, like dynamic storylines, enhancing satisfaction. This is tailored AI magic. I'm thrilled to share it. Let's personalize games. This delights players. Isabella, why personalization?
It's unique, Anastasia. AI makes games feel mine, and I'm excited. It's like a personal quest. This keeps players hooked.
AI gaming applications are real. AI-driven narratives, smart game assistants, and procedural worlds transform play. These are epic solutions. I'm so inspired by this. Let's explore real AI. This reshapes gaming. Isabella, which application stands out?
Smart assistants, Anastasia. AI helping players is cool, and I'm thrilled. It's like a game buddy. This is so impactful.
Gaming AI faces challenges. High computational costs, data quality issues, player trust, and ethical design are obstacles. We'll tackle these for better AI play. I'm thrilled to solve them. Let's overcome these hurdles. This advances gaming. Isabella, why computational costs?
They're tough, Anastasia. High cost, slow AI, but I'm excited for solutions. It's like powering up. This boosts AI play.